Between a male child and a girl child, who experienced child molestation more?
I think it's the girl child.
You think it's the girl child?
Girl child.
They experience molestation more. I'm speaking from experience.
I'm not. I'm not a girl, so I don't know. But what I'm trying to say is that usually, like in our villages now, in our towns, in our cities, the cases of girl molestation is high. Like rape, all these things. I'm not saying boys don't experience that, but ours are almost overlooked. You understand? Like
because the boys are not complaining.
They're not complaining.
Like the small boys are enjoying the fun.
Exactly. So you are enjoying it. You are cruising. You are happy for it. So in the end, you don't take the consequence. The consequence is not on you. You have done what you need to do and you have moved on. You know what I mean?
But the girls doesn't move on.
The girls don't move on. That's it. So I think it's the girl child.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you very much. But now my question will be, what do you think should be the penalty of molesters? We talk about rape, but if you caught a molester, don't you think government need to put a law that will stop it? Because a lot of boys are being molested by big aunties that we don't know. So what do you think should be the charges against molesters?
I think
they deserve jail too.
They deserve jail, but maybe a time limit. Yes, so I don't mean like you can't send someone to life imprisonment for
molesting.
No, no. No.
No, see, a big lady that wanted sex could get a toy or meet a man, but using a small boy, or a man that wanted sex could use a toy or meet a lady or pay for a prostitute, but using a small girl is a big crime.
It's a big crime.
So it deserves the person to stay life jail. Don't you think so?
No.
I don't think so.
I think it's too harsh.
It's too harsh.
It's too harsh.
But the guy is harsh on the girl by molesting her too. You know, some people have become from there they become wayward. Like the issue of the Chrisland issue, that girl is being molested.
I don't know. That's wrong. That's false.
You think it's not molested?
I don't think molested. I think it was a mutual agreement.
No, not what they did is molested. But the experience she had that brought her to that event is caused by molestation.
Well, I don't.
You know, like in our society, you can force a plantain to ripe, right? Yes. You can force a mango to ripe.
Yes.
That girl has been forced to know sex behind the background.
Yes.
What she displayed there is not, it's an experience.
It's an experience, of course.
So it's not her first time.
Definitely.
So that's why I'm saying she has been molested. And somebody that put her in that situation, and he said it's asked to give her a life imprisonment.
No. I understand your point, but I still think it's too harsh.
I think
it's too harsh.
Okay,
if I was me, I will maybe like 30-40 years, you know, so maybe that person just spend some time.
If a 20-year-old man waits 30 years in jail, it's all over now.
so it's too harsh.
Yeah, okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah.